Hi, I'm Mike and I'm a meteorologist. Today we're going to talk about tropical cyclones. So, what is a tropical cyclone? A tropical cyclone is a rotating, organized system of clouds and thundershower activity that forms over the tropical or subtropical waters and has a closed, low-level circulation with winds spinning in an anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. For us here in the Caribbean, the official tropical cyclone season is from June to November, with the peak of the season being from mid-August to late October. However, deadly hurricanes can occur at any time in the hurricane season. There are several favorable environmental conditions that must be in place at the same time for a tropical cyclone to form. These include a source of warm and moist air generated from ocean waters at least 27 degrees Celsius throughout a depth of 150 feet, which powers the cyclone. An atmosphere that is unstable, with winds coming together and causing warm air to rise and form towering clouds. Generally, a minimum distance of at least 500 kilometers from the equator that will allow for the Coriolis force caused by the rotation of the Earth to provide the initial spinning or twisting of the rising air. Little or low values of vertical wind shear, which is the change in wind speed with height. A weak shear allows thunderstorm activity to grow and the cyclone becomes more organized. A pre-existing near-surface disturbance, such as a tropical wave that moves westward over warm waters after leaving the West African coast. Once formed, tropical cyclones initially move westward because of the easterly winds and slightly towards the poles, typically at a forward speed of 10 to 15 miles per hour, but can travel as fast as 40 miles per hour. Please note that the term potential tropical cyclone describes a disturbance that is not yet a tropical cyclone, but which poses the threat of bringing tropical storm or hurricane conditions to land within 48 hours. Tropical cyclones are classified based upon their maximum sustained surface wind speeds. At the very early and weak stages, it is called a tropical depression, when the maximum sustained wind speed is less than 39 miles per hour. When the wind reaches 39 miles per hour, it is called a tropical storm. If the wind should reach 74 miles per hour or more, the tropical cyclone is called a hurricane. At the hurricane stage, tropical cyclones are categorized further. Category 1 hurricanes have maximum sustained wind speeds of 74 to 95 miles per hour. Category 2 has maximum sustained wind speeds of 96 to 110 miles per hour. Category 3 has maximum sustained wind speeds of 111 to 129 miles per hour. Category 4 hurricanes have maximum sustained wind speeds of 130 to 156 miles per hour. Category 5 hurricanes have maximum sustained wind speeds that are greater than 156 miles per hour. Weakening of a tropical cyclone typically occurs when the tropical cyclone enters a hostile environment, often caused by unfavorable wind conditions in the middle or upper atmosphere, when the tropical cyclone moves over cooler waters, or even when the tropical cyclone interacts with land. Storm surge, wind, rainfall, tornadoes, and heavy surf are the main hazards formed from a tropical cyclone. Storm surge is an abnormal rise of water caused by the winds of the storm and is the most life-threatening and catastrophic hazard associated with land-falling tropical cyclones. Hurricane-force winds can cause tremendous damage to structures and trees. Well, this has been Tropical Cyclones, and I'm Mike, your meteorologist, from the Trinidad and Tobago Meteorological Service.